Contestants, Arimba. The winner of Miss Tours, Miss Mwizi, is contestant number 6. This time let us come to the stage. We got to do our stage. Nani shaba. Nani vitu vya diona Mwizi na bihati. Umaro, kama kuru marunja ginyine, ngumwena mwatungogo kubanza.
Thank you very much. Mwebale mnonga audience bwobuta kiteganisa obutwantika shara results aba queen then ba Miss Mwizi mwebale ku participating je mnonga. So na kwanza mbagambire ebutwanti considering na percentages, then she'll tell you the different percentages for different items. Then twambala ngokutula bagambire noho yaba Miss Mwizi. So first of all, we are considering 5 things. Nimkumanijanza ojum no Ankole abokuba nketi theme yitu ni girl child education wenu twine oresa twereka ngo tushuriyo ntushoma kandi twongeza kushomesa abandi. So on social media tube considering YouTube and Facebook. So that was taking 30%. Even it was 30%. Then number 2, to be in a category attire. When it comes to attire, we are looking at 4 things. Even to be culture wear, aiba kodga, enjoyala, to be in a office wear, emurmo yabo, emurmo. Then casual wear, ebya burijo, when twena go kumutureba. Then twatwine creative wear. Echokushama okateeka byona tubintu bigita tubintu bihereza 30%. Mebto and considering. The third item, we're looking at confidence and assertiveness. Obutu antikubuza ekibuuzo wano kigarukamu. Kwerabe wano kigarukamu, wano kigarukamu olukuteereza anseichire minga wanofa aga kigarukamu. So that was taking 24%. Then twatwine general smartness. When was smart ombuojire, not just smartness of our body but also of our mind. Twantikubuza ekibuuzo wano kigarukamu. That was taking 14%. Then finally, twatwine what we call the general public election. Mwebale mnonga aba abasa kutuyambaho kuteera karuru. Ejo yanitwara 2%. So when you total up everything, the percentage is 100%. So byona twabigita aba queens bunyomwe twantu making sure twamereze ekigezo out of 100 then twantuguma tusharaho according to what we expected. So from that, I'm going to invite my colleague to give you an overview.
Well, Chief Judge, nkoku yabagambira twatwine criteria following that and naza kuba nimbaha nkoku bakola according to the criteria. So naza kuba nimbaha abali kubanza bashatu abasinga nko social media contestant number 6 niwe yasingana. Agarukaho contestant number 3 and owakashatu yabali contestant number 5. Number 1, 3, and 5. Then Kokuba Zwara Ataya twatwine culture mwabareba wasinga yabali contestant number 1. Abakabiri babali babiri and that is number 6 and number 8. Then abakasha 2 babali number 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. Then to a zone office where nibasha 2 babine max selection to a twin number 6. To a twin number 8 and number 1. Then abakabiri to a twin number 3 and number 5. Then wakasha 2 yabali number 2. So kutwazo mukajo wasinga yabali number 8 na number 3. Then abakabiri twatwine number 6. Number 6, 5, 2 na 1 mwena mwamuli on the same level. Then creative wear echiba shemba yo kujwara wasinga twatwine number 6. Number 5 and lastly number 8 mwena mwamuli awasinga mwamine max selection. Then category number, then the second yaba mwamwena basigara mwamuli ne max selection. Then confidence ngokumwani mugaruka muza questions ezibani bababuza. So number 1 twine contestant number 6. Then wagarukaho yabali number 1. Then wakasha 2 yabali contestant number 5 and number 8. Then general public mufadha yaeta abarondamu twatwina abantu babiri and unfortunately hali mu invalid votes nkibiri konko mbyona twayamu owasinga yabali number 1 nkamushanju. Then owagarukaho yabali number 6. Okay. Then number 3 by 5 and 8. Then category Shembayo, general smartness, bokuba abajwire generally. Umukureba kwito wasinga yabali number 5. Then second position between number 6, 3 and 1. Then lastly, Bakasha Tuba between contestant number 2 and number 8. Mwebale mnonga. To whoever will win, congratulations. And then Abasigara, if you don't win, well, it's not the end of the world. Canaries come back again and again. But it took you a lot of confidence to come up and take up this, so you've already achieved. Thank you so much.
Yes, then a small correction, social media, we had Nomoto Atwasgaho, contestant number 4, kindly step forward. Yes, she was the overall best when it came to social media. That is Facebook. She had the highest shares.
Nishabe ntebe z'abajaji ibiri munyongere n'entebe akashatu. So ningene ntebe 3 baza mutenda mubangayi azo ifuke abo babahereza VIP ticket omukichayi kacheka UBC. Azo ifuke badiro kuryabo bore gasigahe sente zabo. Atika kuno Burundi sho yarga yona we yaje tunaniriza kuba. So mwabureba ko twabutaho ngo kubwa designingwa. So the first one will be here. Umuranjejo na nubwo ndabushagati. Judge.
So are you ready? That is in the 3rd position among the 6 beautiful ladies. The one who has become number 3 is. Let's move around and see.
If he's around.
Is it you?
Tango Toyi! Akakwata mu.
Who do you think is number 3?
So he's asking.
Contestant number. I also don't know. Yes, I have to first consult.
Yes.
Contestant number 1.
So step forward and you have a seat. Congratulations! Congratulations! Congratulations!
Land of Mwizi. Olabe ow'enamba ya 2.
Ndogo yako aliwe toka abara kutetemu. Dawidi aligizo abana waligizuka.
DJ, 30 seconds. Position, we have contestant number 5.
You have a seat here, please. Congratulations.
I usually think that happiness can be invented, but that wasn't that old days.
Now,
A moment of truth.
yes.
Who will be Miss Mwizi 2023-2024? We have 4 beautiful ladies.
Nigenda kamera zona za. Kuma gambe na batwena tusakutera kamano muno. Ako kusinga yo kwetegereza kwa muntu.
Contestant. Number. Contestant. Arimba. The winner of Miss Tours, Miss Mwizi, is contestant number 6.
Chamone